I got a problem. I got a strange addiction. Somebody help me. I need an intervention. It ain't alcohol or weed. There's just one thing that I need. I got an addiction to fruit trees. Got an addiction to fruit trees. I take a persimmon to breathe. Hey, the next one I'm getting jujube. Got an addiction to fruit trees. Peace, family. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. This is me attempting to make videos. I think I did like a few takes, but this is during the winter time when it snowed, and I got snowed in for like a week. I'm out there smiling and stuff, you know, trying not to be cold, but I was trying to show like what my yard was looking at, like, you know, during the snowstorm. Like I said, I had no idea that I'd be out for a week. I knew the power would go out because it usually does, but they usually get it back up within an hour or a few hours, but not this time. But yeah, we had a lot of snow, man. I can't remember how many feet it was, but you know, stuff got snowed in. My Leland cypresses, they got weighed down. They're still trying to recover. That's one of my fig trees. My beds, crepe myrtles got weighed down. And all of the trees that I have in containers, they got all snowed in as well. They tough though, they made it. You know, from what I've seen, like all of them have bounced back, but this is the area here where my trees are. There's my trees snowed in. But like I said, they're troopers. But this is what it was. Peace.